Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear cloud storage on a Capcut PC. Okay, first of all, let's just open our Capcut application on our PC or laptop. And we're going to open our cloud storage on our Capcut application. So this is my space or my cloud storage. You can just click on this option. Wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, tap on this option. Then you're going to clear your Capcut cloud storage right here. You can clear the project one by one to free up your space on Capcut. And for example, I'm just going to clear or delete this project, so we can tap on delete. Click on delete. Okay, now as you can see that the project has been deleted, and you can also clear the trash on your cloud storage. You can clear the trash to free up your storage, but if you want to clear the trash, you have to open the Capcut website, as you can see. And I don't want to clear my trash, so I'm just going to go back. Okay, and if you want to delete another project, you just need to do the same step. You can click on this three lines or three dots, this little three dots, and you can click on delete. And your Capcut projects will be deleted. Okay, and that's all the way to clear your cloud storage on Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.